Yeah. Alright guys, so we got a quick unboxing here from Apmex. We're going to bust this open, and you guys know how Apmex likes to do it. They put a box within a box, sometimes a package within a package. So we're going to struggle to get this thing open. And we got our package within a package. Let's get rid of this box. They must have used some Iron Man glue here because goodness gracious. Ooh, the knife don't even cut through it. Okay, Apmex stepping up their glue game. Goodness. Oh my God. All right, let's get this out of the way. Whew, that was a struggle to get that thing out of the box, but we got it. And we got a few ounces in here, you know, some cool stuff. Let's go ahead and bust this open. See if we can't get rid of our personal information, because nobody wants that, right? There we go. Get this opened up. I'll remove my receipt so none of that fun stuff will be given away. There we go. So what do we got today? Well, one of them is going to be a very unique coin that is currently out of stock. I don't think you can buy this on the Apmex site anymore, but let's reach in and see what the first one is that we get. And what we have here is the Oriental border silver Britannia coin. Now, they say that this has a limited mintage, but they use the word limited a little too much if you ask me. Now, this coin has the Oriental border, and you can see that right around here. Let's go ahead and take a closey look-see. So this here is a very nice coin. I do see a little scratch there, but that looks like it's actually on the case. We'll pop that out a little bit later and take a closer look. Case looks to be in good condition. This is a very cool coin. Now I want to show you guys what a regular Britannia looks like. So this here is a 2017 Britannia, and you can tell the border on this one is just your traditional Britannia border. This one here has the Oriental border, so they change things up quite a bit, and that is very cool. This is something you're never going to see, or at least I don't think you're ever going to see with an American Eagle, right? The American Eagle design has not changed one iota since 1986, and at least these other countries and governments are doing a little something. Not much, just a little something to change things up a bit. And we'll take a look at the Queen side. Not much change in there. She, if anything, is getting younger in all these. So that is the first pickup we got here. I hate that the coin rattles around in the case like that. I don't know if you can hear that. That is a little frustrating. This one does too, but not quite as much as this guy. So, we got the silver Britannias, right? What else we got? What else is in here? Let's see. The next one we've got is a 1/10 ounce Nefertiti Round. Got a few of those in here. Now these I purchased specifically with the intention of giving them to you guys. I want to give these away completely free. There's another one in there somewhere, but we'll find it. So these Nefertiti Rounds are 1/10 ounces, brand shiny from Monarch Mint, and they're just fun pieces. You know, they're nothing crazy to write home about, but they look really, really cool. And I purchased a few of these because I have a 5K giveaway coming up. And if you're not already subscribed, now's a good time to click that subscribe button because I'll be announcing shortly when we're going to be holding the 5K giveaway. And essentially, the way that we do things, I just give away a bunch of stuff. So basically what we do with the 5K giveaway, it's just a celebration. If you were at my 3K giveaway, you might be familiar with how I like to do things. I try to give back as much to you guys as I can possibly afford to do. So some of the things you can win in that giveaway are right here. So we got the 1/10 Nefertiti Rounds, brand spanking new for you guys. Let's reach in here and see what the next piece is that we got. Now this one here is a 2018 Silver American Eagle. Now this is going to be another prize that I'm giving away at the 5K giveaway, but this one is specific. These are just for my contributors, those of you who give back to my channel in any way, whether you make use of the P.O. box down below, whether you make use of the super chat when I go live. You guys are the reason why I'm able to do some of these giveaways, so I wanted to do something special for those of you that do contribute, and this here is going to be one of the choices you guys will get to pick from. The 2018 American Eagle, we've all seen them before, we know what they look like. There's no point in cracking that thing out. What else is in here? What else we got? We got the 2018 Dragon coin from the Perth Mint. let's take a close look at this. I don't own very many bars that are like this. The bars that I usually buy are art bars that are older and they just don't make them anymore. But this just seemed unique. It has like the kangaroo finish on the front. If you're familiar with the kangaroo coin, it's got that nice little whatever you want to call that. It's cartoon-esque almost. But it's a cool looking coin. Is it a coin? I guess it's a coin because it has $1 written on there. So technically this would be considered a coin, even though it's a bar. But what do you guys think about this dragon coin? Do you own them? Do you plan on buying them? The premiums are pretty low. I think it was like 20 bucks, something like that. That's another good addition to the stack. What else we got in here? What else we got in here? I think this is the other Nefertiti round. Yep, the other Nefertiti 1/10 ounce. For you guys, not even mine. That's yours. The next one we got in here is the Australian Emu coin. Now this was pretty much the whole purpose for this order. I wanted this coin, but I did not want to spend the crazy premiums that I know they're going to be fetching very, very soon. The Perth Mint, for whatever reason, tends to take these coins and they do things the right way with them, and they just drive the cost up, which is, I guess, good if you get in on it early enough. So these Emu coins, I look at this as instant equity. Now, I've talked about this in other videos. There are certain coins, certain pieces of bullion that you can buy where you instantly have equity in that coin. And by that, I mean, you buy this on, say, Apmex site. I think I paid $30-some for this, right? This coin right now, actually the day that I bought this coin, it was selling on eBay for over $40. So it's just a few dollars equity, but regardless, I'm already in the profit on this coin. Whether or not it's going to hold that premium over the next coming years, we'll have to keep an eye out and see. But let's take a real close look here. You can take a look and see if we can see this emu's face. It's got a little bit of an attitude on him. Reminds me of the 2018 Kookaburra face. 2018 999. This is 4 9s fine silver, guys. This is 4 9s fine silver, not 999 like most of their stuff. That's something I actually just realized now. I hadn't noticed that. Now this coin comes with a mintage of 30,000, okay? 30,000 is not much. 50,000 is almost the norm when it comes to these coins. It's up for debate what limited mintage means. I want to know what you guys think. At what number, what threshold does a mintage or a mint become limited? 50,000, 25,000? I don't know about that. 10, 15,000? Maybe. Somewhere's in there, right? That's my opinion. But I want to know what you guys think, so make use of that comment section. I think we got one more in here. We got one more. And this here is the 2018 Canadian Maple Leaf, guys. The 2018 Canadian Maple Leaf. If you've seen my videos before, you know how I feel about the Canadian Maple Leaf. I am very, 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 I'm going to throw one more very in there, very on the fence about this coin. Simply because Canadian coins, in my opinion, milk over way more than any other coin. And for that reason, as an investment, it is not a good purchase for me. Doesn't mean it's not a good purchase for somebody else. Maybe you're from Canada, that's your country, and you got to support them. I get it. I mean, we're stuck in America here with this American Eagles design that hasn't changed in decades, right? You guys at least get some changes, some variations. You guys get privy marks, so I get it. Support your country. But when it comes to an investment, for me, I am not sold that they corrected the milking issue. Now, I bought this coin specifically with the intent of giving my contributors another option as a coin that they can add into their stack. So if you're a contributor to my channel and you did that in the last year, you are already on my list. And then there's going to be a bunch of little grabbies that I'm going to throw in for you guys as well. So how do I feel about this? Well, I'm on the fence. Like I said, they supposedly put a new chemical process over this coin to prevent it from milking over. But I don't know. I'm skeptical, guys. I am on the fence about whether or not this is going to milk over or not. And I'll tell you this. I will tell you this. If I see this coin milk, or if I see any 2018 plus Canadian coins milk, I am 1,000% at that point never buying a Canadian coin again. I did vow that I would never buy another Canadian coin again once I got milk spots on my MS69 graded 25-year anniversary coin. But here I am buying another one. And hopefully I am not made a fool by seeing milk spots on this. But this is it, guys. This is what I picked up. I do have another order coming in, and hopefully a few days we'll crack all that stuff open. But this main purchase was for the silver emu coin, which is going into my perma-stack for at least a few years. We'll see how this plays out over the next couple years as far as the premium goes. But you can't buy these anymore. You can maybe set up an alert on Apmex to be alerted when they have new ones of these out. That's actually how I bought it. You know, they sent me a text message saying, hey, we have a few of these in stock. Would you like them? And I picked up one. I only picked up one because, like I said, I paid over $30 for this coin, and I have a very, very, very hard time paying a high premium for a coin that is just, you know, It's a nice coin. Don't get me wrong. Love the Perth Mint. Love the design. Love everything about it. But the mintage and the price, That's how I feel about that. What do you guys think? Make use of that comment section down below. All right, everybody, that is it for me. Make sure you got that subscribe and that bell icon down there checked off so you can be alerted when new videos just like this one come out. And if you're not following me on Instagram, got the same name over there as I do here. I'm also on Facebook, guys. Don't forget, I got that 5K giveaway coming up. And if you're not following me over on my other platforms, now's a good time to do it because I'm going to be throwing out some bonuses to those of you that are following me on all my other platforms. All right, guys, I'll talk to you again real soon. Peace out, YouTube.